Here, kitty, 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 kitty. That's what's going on right now.
So we got a cat in the man cave, and it wouldn't be that big of a deal if Donna and Egan owned a cat. It's a white cat, and it's right under here. Let's be quiet. We have not heard from the cat in approximately 2 minutes. Let's wait and see.
Don't do it. Did you just move it? Did you just move it? Did you just move it?
We're gonna try to see if there's any signs of life.
I can't do this.
Relax.
The Donato's cat can open the door. I've seen it happen.
Yeah, Donna, it might have had a lever door.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Don't let him take it! Don't let him take it! I can't do this. I can't do this. I think we should call someone.
He ate the string.
Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. Please don't tell me that. I cut him. No, he doesn't.
It's a monster cat. It's a monster cat. Alright.
He didn't eat it. I cut that. Oh. Don't tell me he did that.
Okay, so what's the plan? Are you ready?
Fuck no.
He's gonna follow the string and me out the door.
Oh my god, no. I gotta go upstairs for this.
Are you sure?
Yeah, that's a whole other video.
Are you okay? Are you ready?
Are you ready? Should we barricade upstairs?
I don't think it's gonna matter. Cats can jump. And this is a white cat. We know that white cats can jump high. Alright. Let's do this.
I want to hear from the kitty.
Kitty? Fucking
I never know what he's doing in there.
Kitty, kitty, it's a piece of string. Come and get it.
I think he's over us.
I think he's playing pool.
Kitty?
Meow if you're there.
Oh god. Oh god. He's alive.
He's alive. Let's do this.
Kitty?
Kitty cat. We're gonna take us. All right?
Yeah.
All right?
Yeah.
This is Project Get the Bad Kitty out of Michael's man cave. I'm about to open the door. Donna does not have my back. I'm doing it by myself. Luckily, I grew up with lots of cats, so I'm okay. I'll be okay.
Don't open it yet. I'm going to show the barricade.
If I don't make it, Mom and Dad, I love you. Michael, Andrew, Matthew, Merry Christmas. All my friends, I got an extra set of keys somewhere in my apartment. You guys can kind of split up what you want. Okay. Gonna do this now.
All right. I've set the scene.
You ready?
No. Hold on, I gotta get behind here. I'm gonna scream so loud. Go ahead. Oh god. Oh god. Oh God, where's the string? Where's the string?
He's just fucking chilling.
No.
He's straight up chilling. Look here.
Oh my God, I'm gonna scream. Oh God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my